Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal. If you are new, I do DIYs, reviews, hauls, and much more. And today I am going to share with you what I got at the dollar store, Dollar Tree. They have a lot of good items right now for the holidays, so I want to share with you those. So the reason I went to Dollar Store is because I needed zip ties. And you're probably like, Crystal, what the heck? Why do you need zip ties, right? So I'm working on a DIY right now. Not a DIY, more like a revamp on some Christmas decor, which is going to be my next video. So that was the main reason why I went. So I got 2 packages of zip ties, and you'll see in my next video what I'm going to do with them. So stay tuned for that. Now these next items I'm going to share with you really quickly because my kids are out there, they're doing work, and I don't want them to see what I got, because they're going to be stocking stuffers. Hit the jackpot, I think. Look how freaking cute these are. So I got 2 different ones, like that, and these cute little animals. They're super cute. So yeah, those are going to be stocking stuffers. Okay, so I'm going to talk about a little bit of home organization, decor stuff. I seriously did not know these existed. I just happened to be in line at checkout, and then I noticed that they were in a little shelf area. So I was like, what the heck are these? They are jars, right? But look at the top. It has an indentation. So I had only seen one and decided, you know what, I'm going to get out of line and I'm going to see if there's more. And sure enough, there was more. So I bought 4 of these, and you can stack them, which is freaking awesome. I'm always scared to stack my jars because I'm afraid they're going to fall and break, and knowing me, I'll probably do that, break them. So I was like, oh my gosh, this is so awesome. I love the way they can stack on top of each other. So this is going to be in my pantry, but you can definitely use these for other things, for a craft room, in your garage, like for screws or whatever. But I'm going to use mine in the pantry. So I thought those were awesome. Fine. Something I stumbled across were these iridescent candle holders. I bought 4 of these. Again, I don't necessarily need them, but I figured I can do a pretty like DIY. I just think they're so gorgeous for $1. So pretty. This would be nice as a Christmas gift to give. Something new to me that I hadn't seen were these cute trifle containers for like candies. I think they're really cute. Of course, like you can also use them as decor or put some makeup items in there. I think that would be really cute. Like perfume holder or something like that. They are in the little thinner side of plastic, so you do have to be careful with these. But yeah, I got 2 sets of these. I think they're so cute. This is kind of random. I saw these little beauty jars, which I do like because I like to put stuff when we're going out of town. They're so cute. Love it. Okay, now let's jump into the Christmas stuff. So first I got were these cute tags. I really think they look so cute. So like fancy for Dollar Tree. Look at how cute those are. Super cute. They are upping their game on their gift items, and it says to and from in the back. Sorry about the reflection, guys. I got just 1 pack of this 2-piece box gift set. I thought it was really cute. I just got 2 for now. I gotta kind of go through my gifting items. Like gift wrap and boxes and bags. I gotta go through that and see what I need, but I had to pick this up. It was just super cute, and I love the size of it. So yeah. This is a non-Christmas item, but I got an 8x10 frame for another DIY. I'm loving the berries that the Dollar Tree has this year. I feel like they look really nice. They don't look cheap at all. They're so pretty. So I got it in like this red color and this dark color as well. Kind of matches my lips, right? But I thought these were gorgeous. You can put them in your Christmas tree. You can do it, add them to your DIYs, your wreaths, so lots of uses. Other decors I came across were these cute. I've never seen them before. They are the Solar Decor, and they're little light bulbs. Isn't that freaking cute? So the solar panel is right there. I'll have to try these out, but I thought these were super cute, and you can put them like in your actual tree outside or something. That would be so cute. But yeah, so these are the lights, and they come in green and also red. Yes, my love. This year we wanted to, I talked to my girls and I asked them, hey, do you want to continue with our Nightmare Before Christmas theme this year? Since, you know, it's a little bit of Halloween and a little bit of Christmas together, and since I already have the decor up from Halloween that I did this year, and if you haven't seen the videos on all of the decor that I made, check those out. They came out really cute. So anyways, since I have those out and we can transition the Nightmare Before Christmas theme into Christmas, we're going to go with that theme. And also I wanted to do red and black. So I was thinking of doing the buffalo check theme. So Dollar Tree has a bunch of these cute buffalo checks decor. Yes. Another buffalo checks item they have are these cute stars. This tag is kind of in the way, but it has a pine cone right there, and it looks like that. They're super cute, and it kind of goes with farmhouse theme also, which I do love. There is a regular ornament one. Super cute. I like these because you can also add like a pretty writing like family or somebody's name and give it as a Christmas gift as well. I like this cute little sled that I found, and it has a little buffalo check ribbon right there. Super cute. Other items I got were for like little decors that I can do with my kids. So the Dollar Tree has these cute ornaments that look like jars, so I thought we can make our own ornaments. We pretty much make our own ornaments every year. So this is a different style that we're going to use, and they're really cute. And I picked up some little green, red, and white pom-poms for the girls to use. I know we'll use them even after Christmas. They tend to love these. So I got a few of those. I got some cute snowflakes that we can add in the ornaments as well. And I got this extra wired garland ties, so that way if I need to tie anything up, I can use these cute garlands. I know people use this to spruce up the Dollar Tree little, is it 3-foot Christmas trees? They use this to like make it more full, so there's a little tip for you. Use these garlands. That's it for all of like the cute little Christmas DIY stuff. Last items are Christmas like treats and goodies to eat and give away as gifts. So I thought these were an awesome find this year. They are the Sweet Chaos Peppermint Crunch. I mean, how cute is that? And I bet they taste really good. So yeah, I'll probably be giving these away to like co-workers, family, friends, just like organizing like a little gift basket or something for Christmas. So I picked up 3 of these, and I might pick up some more. The dollar store I go to is relatively small, so they don't have that much items, unlike some of these other Dollar Trees that are a little bit further away from me. So I do want to hit up those Dollar Trees because I know they're going to have a lot more items. And the last item I picked up are these Godiva Belgium milk chocolate with caramel. I mean, how cute is that? I bet these are delicious. So yeah, those are the items. I did find some like peppermint bark, but unfortunately like every single one had like a slit right in the middle. So I didn't want to get those just for, you know, safety reasons. Who wants to give away half open stuff? Like, really? So yeah, that is pretty much it for my Dollar Tree haul. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. It helps me know that you like these types of videos, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I would love to have you as a follower. Follow me on Instagram as well, and if you like DIYs, I do have a lot of DIYs on my channel, so if you're interested in those, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as a follower. And yeah, that is it for today, guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.